Chapter 17, Managing Your Finances Wisely. Chapter 17 focuses on money management because financial stress can affect every area of your life. Managing your finances wisely means living within your means, saving regularly, and spending intentionally. Money should be a tool, not a source of fear or control. When you understand how to manage your money, you gain freedom, security, and peace of mind. Financial discipline today creates financial stability tomorrow. Chapter 18, Practicing Gratitude Every Day. Chapter 18 is about gratitude, which has the power to change your mindset and emotional state instantly. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. When you practice gratitude daily, your stress decreases, your happiness increases, and your relationships improve. Gratitude does not mean settling for less. It means appreciating what you have while working toward more. A grateful heart attracts positive energy and stronger connections. Chapter 19, Committing to Personal Growth. Chapter 19 focuses on continuous personal growth because growth is a lifelong journey, not a one-time event. Every day gives you a new opportunity to become better than you were yesterday. Personal growth means improving your habits, your thinking, your skills, and your character. It also means being honest with yourself and willing to change when necessary. When you commit to growth, you commit to a better future for yourself and those around you. Chapter 20, Creating a Positive Impact on Others. Chapter 20 is about impact because true success is not just about what you achieve for yourself, but also about how you influence others. When you use your knowledge, skills, and resources to help others, your life gains deeper meaning. Positive impact creates respect, legacy, and lasting fulfillment. Success becomes truly powerful when it uplifts not only you, but also the people around you. The greatest success is a life that improves other lives. Final closing, thank you so much for staying with me throughout this entire live session. I truly appreciate your time, your attention, and your willingness to grow. If you found value in today's session, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this message. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay grateful, and I'll see you in the next live session.